A Turkish expert has said that China's economic development is one of the most unique miracles in economic history.
The Chinese government has declared a battle against poverty. It declared a victory in ending extreme poverty in 2021. In the past 73 years, Chinese national economy has achieved great development. China has developed to the second largest economy in the world. China's economic development is one of the most unique miracles in economic history. It shows that government follow people-centered policies. Fighting against poverty is not a slogan, but a principle.
The expert also hailed the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative as a contribution to multilateralism.
I don't only see BRI as a contribution to world's connectivity with China, but also the countries along the way. That means that it's a contribution to multilateralism. It's not a song written and performed by China itself, it's open to contribution and shaped by the countries along the way. Just like Turkey with Middle Corridor Initiative. So it's a common platform for the nations to expand business, people-to-people connectivity and prosperity around the world.